Hey yo everyone, I'm here in my datapack sandbox world, and the latest Minecraft snapshot, 25W04A, added an interesting item component. It is the blocks attacks component, which can be added to make any item function as a shield. So here I have a regular vanilla sword, and here I have a sword that has a new Defender Enchantment. This uses the same method I showed in my fire-resistant enchantment tutorial last year, but it makes the sword have that blocks attacks component. You can see here, if I right-click with it, they even kept the old sword blocking animation, so it's just like the pre-1.9 sword blocking. And all shields are kind of borked right now. They don't take any damage anymore, but if I go into survival mode, you can see that I can use it as a shield to defend and then quickly switch to attacking. If I actually had any real combat skill, which whatever. But yeah, so this is one, like I mentioned, there's a bug where it doesn't take any damage from blocking. There's fields in the component to control that and control what types of damage it can block and so on and so forth. So this is something that I hope to keep working on as the snapshots keep coming out, just to have a nice, fully fleshed out enchantment when the next release comes out. On other channel updates, I shared this as a community post a few days ago. But I'm working on this playing card data pack where I have these different Minecrafty suits. I guess there's not actually any redstone out. There's the redstone suit. So I have swords, pickaxes, melons, and redstone. The melons are mostly just I needed something red that was distinguishable from redstone because I really wanted redstone as a suit. But anyway, with this resource pack, I can use real player heads as the faces on the face cards. And so I'm looking for community input on who would be the best king, queen, and jack of the 4 different suits in Minecraft. And if I let you guys decide, nobody can blame me when I actually finally release a resource pack that says whoever the king of redstone finally is once and for all. But yeah, that's it for now. I'll hope to see you all in the future.